Welcome to Disk Management in Windows Server 2008, Part 3. First we'll look at how to create a simple volume on a dynamic disk. You'll right-click, choose New Simple Volume, choose a size, in this case it'll be 250 meg, assign a drive letter, and we format. Pretty quick, pretty easy, and you'll notice that it came up yellow. Let's try the same thing in the command line. We'll list the disk, we'll select the disk we're going to work with, and then we're going to type in create volume simple. A little bit different from a basic disk. We're going to just change the wording a little bit. We'll make the size 250 meg, and it'll create the volume, but it'll create it raw. So now we're going to list the volume and make sure that it's selected, and then we're going to format it. And then we're going to go ahead and assign a drive letter. Pretty similar to the same tasks for creating a basic primary partition. Next, let's look at how to actually create a spanned volume onto another drive. We can do this right from the menu. We'll select the disk, make a note to how much you're actually going to have once we create the spanned volume. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select a drive letter and then perform a quick format on it, and there you go. This is what we call spill and fill. As the first one fills up, it'll spill over to the second disk. One problem: if you delete any of the partitions or any of the volumes, you delete both of them. So if a drive goes bad, you'll basically lose all of your data. Now let's try it in the command line interface. Pretty simple, pretty similar. We're going to list the disks. We're going to select the disk. Let's go ahead and create a volume that's simple first. Okay, we'll create that simple volume, the entire drive. Then what we're going to do is, of course, list the volume, make sure that's selected, format it, and then we're actually going to assign a drive letter and extend the drive. Now when we extend this drive, what we're going to do is, first off, make sure we have focus on that volume. Then we're going to say extend, but this time we're going to specify a drive, and in this case it will be disk 2, and you can see it's now expanded over to the second disk.